Okay, so I've been pretty dumb about how I am going about figuring out what's going on with my circuit. Um, Here's my breadboard. Here's a whole bunch of crap. Um, Now I'm measuring right now. If you look at the two alligator clips, I am measuring. Let me get in there. Um, the resistance. There we go. Between these two posts. So basically, I'm measuring the amount of resistance between this space, at least if I understand things correctly, this space right here, but it might actually be the resistance of the whole circuit, but it's not a circuit, it's just one line. But this line continues down this row here, continues down, connects to this line over here, and continues down. And of course, it also branches. Well, let's see, where's my branches? Here's my branches down here. If I can get my finger over there. There's my branches right here. So it comes over here to this, which branches over to there. And then it also comes into here, which branches over to this guy. Anyway, let's look at what my resistance is between these 2 points right here. And my multimeter says 1.5-ish. So now I'm going to grab this guy, if I can see it. Let me just grab this guy. Let's just move him right down into here. Right down in there. Yeah, just a little further away. Now how are we doing? Oh, okay, hold on. That's not right. That's just like a bad connection. Let me just wiggle that a little bit. And let me just wiggle this one a little bit. This is the price you pay for using a breadboard. Okay, let's check it now. No. Okay. 2.1. Remember, we were about 1.5 before. Now we're at 2 ohms. Okay, fine. Now, let's unplug you, and let's go down the line, down the line, down the line. Yeah, let's go down to here. How are we feeling about down there? Let's check that out. Okay, well, we're over 2, but it looks like we're approaching 2.4. In the area of 2.4, let's come down over here again. Make sure we've got a good, solid connection on that bad boy. Everything is nice and sturdy. And yeah, okay, yeah. Well, let's say 2.5. All right. So when I put the connector, let me get my finger in the way. When I put the connector here-ish, we were at 1.5. I've moved the connector down to here. We're at 2.5. Let me go ahead and unclip this. Now you can see that this line connects down to this bar over here. So let's just plug in onto that bar. Make sure we've got a good connection. Oops, no, that was the negative. I want the positive. There we go. Oh, no, there we go. Okay. And how are we doing over here now? Oh, shit. No, actually, that's not right. That's not right. Hold on. We got a bad connection. Let's just unclamp that. Let's just reclamp that. Make sure that's good and solid. Oh, my thing came out on the, here, I can show you. This came out on the other end too. I probably bumped it. Again, the price you pay for using breadboard, and I think I've got a little bit better connection. You can kind of see there now. Okay, so that connection is looking good. Over here, are we still looking good? Yeah, that's looking okay. Let's check our resistance. 18 point, oh, it's going down. Let's give it a second. 17 ohms, it's looking like. 17 ohms of resistance going from here to there. And now, what if I just unplug this guy and plug him? Oh, I'm not going to be able to see. We're not going to be able to see anything here. Let's just squeeze him in as close to the CPU as I can. There we go. You're okay. Make sure. Are you good and happy? Be good and happy. And how are we doing? Oh God, no, that's not right. That's way too high. That can't be right. Let's try that again. Let's try a different pin. I just moved it over one. And no, that says 60 kiloohms. That's impossible. Let's move it. I'm sorry, you can't see. Let me try to move it. Actually, look, I've got a post right there already. So let's, oops, you can't see. What am I doing? Let's get rid of this guy. I'll just dump that guy. And let me just grab on to that post that I've already put in there. Got it. And it's on the positive rail, which is good. So it should be connected all the way up here. And this connection still looks okay. Yeah, okay, let's check our ohms. 21 ohms. Oh, it's going down. Okay, hold on. It's going down. Figure it out, multimeter. Figure it out. Yeah, you bastard. 14 ohms. 14 ohms of resistance is what that's measuring. I don't think I'm really actually getting that much. I think oh look, now it's gone down a little bit. And the reason I say that is because I'm basically getting a voltage drop of 2, which kind of indicates 10 ohm because my circuit uses roughly 200 milliamps and the math works out. So the multimeter is saying 12.6 or in that area, but when I actually run the circuit, the numbers pan out more like around 10 ohms of resistance. And the point of all of this, of course, and let's circle back around to the start of the video, is when I put this just right here as a next door neighbor, and we go and we check our ohms again. And no, that's not right. Okay, hold on. Bad connection. Let me reconnect this sucker. Sorry, you can't see. Let me reconnect this bad boy. It's hard to do it through the camera. Grab you. Okay, yeah. No. They're trying to both get the job done and let you see me getting the job done. Okay, let's just post it. Yeah, how about right there? That looks fine. Right? And let me just grab that sucker. Nice and tight. Okay. Oh, shoot, wrong rail. That's why. Did I do that last time? That would be why if I picked the wrong rail. And there we go. 0.5 ohms. What I need is 0.5 ohms of resistance way down here. I don't need 10 ohms of resistance down here. That is going to kill me. I will be murdered. I'll be dead. I need the 0.5 ohms that this little tiny distance gives me. And I'm pretty sure that the reason that the resistance is 10 ohms is because this breadboard is just garbage. It's just mostly made out of steel. It has no copper in it. And it's just trash. And my alligator clips are all falling out. But, yeah, that's about it. This has gone on long enough. There's one ohm. Oh, no, it switched to 0.4. But honestly, I would take 1 ohm. 1 ohm I can handle. 10 ohms I can't handle. So that's it.